Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious broccoli recipe, which is broccoli tikka masala loaded with mild spicy and smoky flavors, which I'm sure you're going to love it. So friends, let's get started with this interesting and yummy broccoli recipe. To make broccoli tikka masala, I have used one large broccoli cut into medium florets like this, and now I'm going to blanch them. For that, I have already heated some water in a saucepan, and as the water starts to boil, I will add half a teaspoon of salt and then drop the broccoli florets into the boiling water. Whenever I cook cauliflower or broccoli, I always blanch them in boiling water for about 1 minute. In this way, we can get rid of any insects that might infest in them, as well as of any chemicals and pesticides that are sprayed on the vegetables. And after 1 minute, I will turn the flame off, drain the water, and then rinse them off with cold water. And now we'll make the marination batter to make broccoli tikkas, and here I am adding 1 tablespoon of hung curd, 1 tablespoon of thick cream, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, half a teaspoon of salt or as per taste, the juice of half a lemon, around 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Now mix this well, and our thick marination batter is ready. Now add the blanched broccoli florets into it, and we need to coat them really well with this batter. And we will let them rest for at least 20 minutes so that the broccoli florets can absorb all the flavors. It's almost 20 minutes, and now time to make broccoli tikkas. I'm using this kind of wooden skewers to grill them. Now take a skewer and pierce the broccoli florets through it. Arrange 3 or 4 florets in one skewer. So in this way, I will arrange the remaining broccoli florets. Arranging is done. And don't discard this marination. We will use later in the gravy, which will make our gravy very flavorful. And now time to grill them. For that, heat a grill pan and drizzle some oil into it and a small cube of butter. Brush the butter on all the sides of the grill pan, and when the pan is hot, place the marinated broccoli floret arranged in the skewers. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, flip the skewers. Keep on flipping the skewers after every 1 minute so that all the sides of the broccoli florets are grilled properly and are cooked well. So by now the broccolis are almost done, and now in order to give a smoky flavor, I am going to roast them by placing a grill rack on gas stove fire. Rub little butter on the florets in between and keep on flipping them quickly, as we don't want to burn them fully. Just few burn marks will impart a nice smoky flavor to our broccoli tikkas. And by now our broccoli tikkas are ready. I'll take them off and proceed to make the gravy. For that, heat a karhai and into it I'll be adding around 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil. And when the oil is hot, I will add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will impart a nice red color to our gravy. Next goes 1 medium onion, finely chopped. Saute the onions for a while. Next goes 2 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste. Saute the paste well until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. Next goes the puree of 2 large tomatoes, and on high flame we need to fry this well until oil separates. As you can see, the oil has started to separate from the paste, and now we will season this with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or Zeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder for spiciness. And on low to medium flame, mix all the spices well. At this stage, I will add the leftover marination batter. This will impart a nice flavor to our gravy. Mix this well. By now all the ingredients are sauteed well, and now time to add some water to make a thick gravy. And as the gravy comes to a boil, we will add the broccoli tikkas into it and coat them well with the gravy. And on medium flame, we will let them simmer in the gravy for at least 2 minutes so that they can absorb all the flavors of the gravy. And our broccoli tikka masala is almost ready, but before turning off the flame, I will add half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of cream. Mix the cream well along with the gravy. Adding cream will make our broccoli tikka masala rich and creamy. And our gravy looks very yummy now, isn't it? And not to forget to add a small cube of butter at the end. And I will garnish the gravy with some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give a final mix. That's it. Our broccoli tikka masala is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our delicious broccoli tikka masala, which has got a mild spicy, tangy and smoky flavor. Enjoy this hot with jeera rice, pulao or with roti, paratha or naan. Do try this recipe and I'm sure you're going to love it. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.